Welcome back class 7. We are doing exercise 4C. One number question, 1 to 6 number question you have done, I think. And I have also suggested you to always do all the examples of your textbook. These are very interesting questions and it will improve your skills. Now today I am there in exercise 4C itself, so take out your book, and I have told you to do the application based question. That means the word problems. Word problems, you know that by reading the question you need to write some statement there, then you can solve it normally. Here a few questions I am taking you to show you. So today this is question number 7 and I am doing 7A first. Here it is written that Ritika bought 12 upon 9 kg of tomato and 12 upon 15 kg of onion from a greengrocer. How much total weight did she carry? What you need to do here? Can you guess that what type of operational work is required to get the answer of this question? So clearly you will write that tomato is 12 by 9 kg, then onion is 29 by 15 kg, and you need to add both of them to get the answer. Okay, and total weight will be the sum of the weight of tomato and onion. It is clear. Now like this, today I am going to do question number C, because A number is done and you can do by yourself also. Now C number, a rectangular paper has length 33 upon 2 centimeter and breadth 131 upon 4 centimeters. So have you seen a rectangle? Here you are having a rectangular sheet. Okay, and here length is 33. Length is 33 upon 2 centimeter, and here it is a breadth, and breadth is given how much? 131 by 4. 131 by 4 centimeter. So length and breadth both are given. You need to find its area. Here you will write here for a rectangle. For a rectangle, what are the things given? Here for a rectangle, length is equal to 33 upon 2 centimeter. Then breadth is 131 upon 4 centimeter. Then you need to find its area. What you want to find? Its area. You know that area of a rectangle is given by the formula length into breadth. Now you are having length, that is 33 upon 2 centimeter, and breadth you are having 131 upon 4 centimeter. So you need to multiply both the number like that. 33 upon 2 into 130 upon 4. You keep it in a bracket. Write that side centimeter square, because when you will multiply centimeter and centimeter, it will come centimeter square, or else you know that area of unit of area is taken always in square units. That means if it is measured in centimeter, it should be written as square centimeter. If it is measured as meter, it should be written as meter square, like that. Now you check that if you are able to cancel the number, you can cancel, and if you are unable to cancel it, no need to cancel, just you need to multiply. So now you can multiply 131 and 33, because you can see you cannot cancel the numbers, number cannot be cancel each other. So just you can multiply it to write the answer. Further you will multiply 33 into 131. So go inside the rough and multiply it. 131 into 33. 3 1 ja 3 3 3 are 9, 3 1 are 3. I am also doing rough here so that I can write the correct answer here. 4, 9 plus 4, 13, 3, carry 1, 3 1 4, and 9 plus 4, 13, 3, carry 1, and again 3 1 4. So it will be 4 3 3 4. So it will be 4 3 3 4 upon 4 2 ja 8 centimeter square. Further, as you can see, it is an improper fraction, so change it into the mixed fraction. Now you just change it into a mixed fraction and you can write the answer always in a mixed fraction. So 8 by 8 5 ja 40 and 3 33, 8 4 ja 32 and 1 14, then 8 1 ja 8 and 6. Okay, so here you will have the number 541 whole and 6 upon 8 centimeter square. If you can cancel this number, you can cancel by 2. 2 3 ja 6 and 2 4 ja 8. So further it will be 541 whole and 3 by 4 cm square, and that will be the answer. So like that you can find the answer. Okay, so here you have seen that working you have to think that whether there will be the addition, subtraction, multiplication or division. That operational work you have to decide according to the given statement, then write a few statement over there and solve it. So this was question number 7C that I have done. Now one more question I am showing you. Okay, after 4C, I am doing 4D. This time I am doing 4D. Look at your book. This is the product of two rational number is minus 18 upon 5. If one of the rational number is 45 upon 8, then find the other rational number. So what to do? How you will find it? You will write the statement first here. What are the things given? The product of two rational number is given. What is given? The product of two rational number. The product of two rational number is equal to how much it is given? It is given minus 18 upon 5. It is given minus 18 upon 5, and one of the number is given 45 upon 8, and one of the number and that is given 45 upon 8. 45 upon 8. Therefore, the other number, you are searching for the other number. Therefore, the another number will be minus 18 upon 5, and it should be divided by 45 upon 8. Now, just you can write it like that. 5 multiplied by 8 upon 45. Now if you can cancel the numbers, you cancel it. 3 can cancel, 3 6 ja or 9 2 ja 18 and 9 5 ja 45. So further it will be 8 2 ja 16, that is minus 16, and 5 5 ja 25, that means 25. So minus 16 upon 25 is the answer. That means the another number, therefore another number will be minus 16 upon 25. This is the answer of this question number 7D. So these are the word problems, and you can do it very carefully. Now one more question I am going to show you today, that is E number. In E number, just you copy it down. Then I will show you question number E. So in E number question, you can see it is written that Ritesh has a triangular garden of sides 58 upon 4 meter, 43 upon 6 meter and 29 upon 7 meter respectively. Find the cost of fencing the garden at the rate of rupees 15 per meter. So this is E number question. This is E number question. Once again I am repeating it. Ritesh has a triangular garden of side 58.4 meter, 43 by 6 meter and 29 by 7 meter respectively. Find the cost of fencing the garden at the rate of rupees 15 per meter. Let us see. A triangular garden. The shape of the garden is a triangle. So suppose this is the garden. This is the garden. Okay. Now in this garden, this is the shape of the garden and the three of its sides are given as, one side is 58 upon 4, 58 upon 4 meter, another side is 43 upon 6 meter and another side is 29 upon 7 meter. So in the garden, the length of three sides are given 58 upon 4 meter, 43 upon 6 meter, then 29 upon 7 meter. Now you need to find the perimeter of this garden. First of all, you need to find the perimeter of this garden. Then only you will be able to find the cost of fencing, because fencing means you are giving the wiring from this side to this side and from this side to this side. So this is from all the side you have to create a fence over there. That means you need to find its perimeter. So perimeter of the triangle, first you need to search here. Okay, then you can find the fencing cost also. So what are the given for the, since sides are given, I can find its perimeter directly. Since the perimeter of the triangle of the triangular garden, is equal to sum of all its side. What is the sides? It is 58 upon 4 plus 43 upon 6 plus 29 upon 7, and here you will write meter. Now you need to find the sum of these three numbers. That was the number is 58 upon 4, 43 upon 6 and 29 upon 7. Now you can find the LCM of 4, 6 and 7. I am going to the rough side. 4, 6 and 7 LCM will be to how much? It will be it will be 84. So the LCM is coming 84. LCM of 4, 6 and 7 is coming 84. Now if you will divide this 84 by 4, it will be 21. So here you will write 58 into 21 and then plus, again you will divide by 6. Then if you will divide 84 by 6, you will have 14. So 43 into 14, and then again if you will divide 84 by 7, you will have 12. So it will be 29 into 12. Now you have to multiply these numbers. So now you have to go in the rough side and multipy. First of all, 58 into 21. 8, multiply it. That will be 1218. That will be 1218. You can also do the calculation work, because in calculations I may also make a mistake. So be very careful while calculating. So always check the simplification work here. 43 into 14, just you multiply 43 into 14. That will be 602. That will be 602 plus 29 into 12 plus 29 into 12 you do. That will be 348. That will be 348 upon 84. Now you can add these all the numbers, that is 1218, then 602, and then 348. You add all these three numbers. That will be 2168. That will be, here you can write meter, here you can write meter, then you will write 2168 upon 84 meter. Now if you can cancel this, you can cancel it to take it into its lowest term. By 4 you can cancel this number. 4 2 ja 8, 4 1 ja 4, and by 4, 4 5 ja 20, and then 4 4 ja 16, then 4 2 ja 8. By 3 you can cancel, 3 7 ja 21. By 3 here, 3 1 ja 3, 3 8 ja no. Sorry, 3 cannot cancel it. Then check by 7, cannot be cancelled. So do one thing, here 21 is there, keep that 21, and here 542 is there, keep that 542. Keep that 542. No number can cancel it. Okay, so it is, I think it is in lowest term itself. So it will be 542 upon 21 meter. That is the perimeter of the triangle. That is the perimeter of the triangle. Now you need to find the cost of fencing. So till here you copy down, then I will show you the cost of fencing. Okay, so here I can write the cost of fencing. Now the cost of fencing, is equal to, here rate of fencing is given, that is given rupees 15 per meter. That means I will multiply it by 15. Rupees 15 should be multiplied by 542 upon 21. By 3, 3 5 ja 15, and 3 7 ja 21, and 3 5 ja 15. Now you cannot cancel this number, so just you multiply it. 542 into 5, 5 2 are 10, 0 carry 2, 5 4 are 20 and 2 22, 2 carry 2 and 5 5 are 25 and 2 27 and upon 7. Here you can write rupees. So rupees 2720 upon 7, 2720 upon 7. Okay, sorry. 5 2 are 10, 0 carry 1, 5 4 are 20 and 1 21, 1 21 and 1 carry 2 and 5 5 are 25 and 2 22 7, 1 0 it will be. Okay, now you can change it into mixed fraction, then you will have the answer. So always try to change it to mixed fraction. I am going to change it. Dividing by 7, 2710 will be 7 3 are 21, then 6 161 will be there. So your answer will be here rupees 387 whole, and that is 1 upon 7, and this is the fencing cost. So this is the cost of fencing the triangular garden. So how much money does he has to pay for the fencing? So find the cost of fencing the garden, and the cost of fencing the garden is coming rupees 387 upon 1 by 7. So like that you can do your work, and revise the exercise very carefully, and now you are having your periodic test examination. So according to the syllabus you have to prepare, whatever syllabus is given there, accordingly you have to prepare for the exam. Okay, thank you for today.